This is a room tour of Grand Suite 1582 on Independence of the Seas. And since this is a grand suite, we have a doorbell. So we start with that. And then we come into our room. Beautiful view when we come in. So as you can see, we come into the sitting area with the bathroom on the right and the storage areas and on the left, and there is a full-length mirror. And then on this other side, we have our closets. So we have 3 closets. The first one has the safe and some shelving and the life jackets. And there's also a hanging space there. And then the second one has plenty of space to hang things, lots of hangers, your Royal Caribbean robes, and then 2 additional hanging shelves there if you need it. So plenty of storage space here, right, with our 3 closets. And then again, you have your full-length mirror, and then over here we have a nice table area with shelving. And we have there's 6 drawers here. So lots of storage space here. And on this side, we have our cooler. Again, it just keeps things cold, not really a refrigerator. And then over here, there is a plug here. And then we have some shelving with some glassware. And they gave us some bottled water, but it requires a bottle opener, which is in the bathroom, which I will show you. And then on this other side, there's a table with some drawers and another mirror. This table is really good when you come into the room. You can drop off your CPAS card, anything you're carrying around. And then on this other side, we have the bathroom. So as you come in, nice mirror, a shelf there for your towels and things. And then this is a grand suite, so there are double sinks. There's 3 drawers here in the middle. So we've got plenty of storage space here. There are drawers and plenty of storage space here under each sink. Okay. All right, and then you've got your sink, the mirror. There is storage behind the mirrors. Okay. There's a glass here on each side of the sink. Okay, and then in the shower, we've got the upgraded amenities with the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And again, there's the shower, the tile mosaic in the shower, and then bars with more towels. So that's the bathroom. Okay, oh, I forgot to show, in the bathroom there is also a bottle opener. So for that bottled water that requires that, we have a bottle opener there to open that. Okay, and as you come on into the room, you have a nice sitting area. There is a table on each side. You have the sofa with 2 chairs and a coffee table with all of our paperwork. And it looks like we do have a cruise compass on this ship. We have been on Freedom of the Seas where they were not doing the cruise compass. But again, this is Independence of the Seas and we have a cruise compass. There's also a plug over here. We have moved the plug from the main table of the phone. We have moved it over here just to get it out of our way. And then here in the middle, looking back over this way, we have the vanity area and then the bed, and then back over here is a TV. So let's go over here to our vanity area. So we have behind each one of these mirrors, more storage, lots of storage in this room, plenty of shelving here behind these mirrors, and then 3 drawers on each side. Okay, so this drawer looks like we've got some tissues and a hair dryer. These hair dryers really don't do very much, so if you have very much hair, you need to bring your hair dryer from home. But again, plenty of storage space on each side. Again, 3 drawers over there and more storage behind the mirror. And then on this ship, they have put the coffee maker here on this vanity table. It's a little bit inconvenient. It takes up a lot of space on the vanity area. We tried to move it to a different area, but the problem is that the plug is a European plug. So they have taken advantage of the limited plugs that we have on board, and they are using a European plug for that, which means it has to be on this vanity. This is the Lavazza coffee maker with the Lavazza pods that you put in. You put in here like this. You drop it in there and press it down and push the button to make your coffee. This particular ship has, this is actually a liquid creamer in these packets. I haven't seen this before, so that's kind of interesting. So that's our coffee maker. And again, lots of space and lots of storage here. It's just unfortunate that the coffee maker has to be in the vanity area, right? Okay, then we've got our bed with our 2 side tables. Again, with the phone, there's generally a USB plug on the phone. Yep, on this side, there's a USB plug on the phone. If you want to utilize that to help charge your phone overnight, you can do that. You've got lights on both sides. Again, really no plug or anything over here, but you got your nightstand. Again, additional drawers over here. Lots of storage here in this room. Okay. And then before we go out to the balcony, we have a little table here with the TV. Okay, this is Grand Suite 1582. Again, we're going out onto the balcony. We are in Port Canaveral on Independence of the Seas, and we are looking out onto the port side today. So here we are at the port, and this building over here, let's see if I can zoom in on it. You can go up in that building for free and look out at all the ships in port, so that's kind of cool. And then on our balcony, you can look out and you can see the hot tubs that extend out over the ship, so that's kind of cool. Looking back towards the front of the ship, and towards the back of the ship, there's a little bump out there at the back. Right. And then for our balcony, we have our 2 lounge chairs, and then there is a table with 2 nice chairs. And one of our favorite things to do is sit out here in the morning and enjoy our coffee on the balcony. So really nice size balcony. Again, this is Grand Suite 1582 on Independence of the Seas. And we are in Port Canaveral.